Are you confused about the future tense with going to? Let's clear it up in just 60 seconds. We use going to for two reasons. Rule one, prior plans. You decided to act before the moment of speaking. Imagine Tom. He just bought his tickets. He made a plan. I am going to travel to Paris. You decided, you arranged it, and it's a commitment. Tom has plans. So use going to when you have a specific, fixed idea for the future already in your mind. Now let's look at the sky. Those dark clouds mean something. Rule two, clear signs or predictions with evidence. It's not just a guess. You know something will happen based on what you see now. It is going to rain. Master these two rules, prior plans and clear signs. Sound natural in English. Tell us what you are going to do next in the commitments and in the comments. Subscribe for more bite-sized English tips.